Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your PC. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, go to Microsoft Store and then search for WhatsApp. And then right here you can see WhatsApp. And then just tap on Install to install this on your PC. But first, you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection so that you can install and download WhatsApp smoothly. After downloading the app, just tap on Open. When you tap on Open, it will then direct you to the app and then you'll just basically log in with your account. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.